What's up, guys? Welcome back to Avengers. Today, I want to talk about the new project, what I got going on, and what you'll probably see in the coming videos. The new project is effectively Project Eleanor, but to a different car, right? Different chassis. Last you seen of Eleanor, we just put that bigger turbo in it, got it dynoed, made just under 300 horsepower. And though you never seen it at the drag strip, I took it to the drag strip, ran low 13s on street tires. What had happened last year at the end of 2019, we were out at the drag strip, and at the end of the track, the car had stalled and completely died on me. And I couldn't get it started back up. I had been having issues with getting the car to stay running, as well as even just getting the car to start and then stay running. It would just want to die on me every once in a while and stuff. But I limped it around, still raced it and stuff. But this time, no start, couldn't get it back working. It was pretty much the end of the season, so I was like, well, whatever. I'll just I'll take the engine out and go through it and see what the deal is. So I took the engine out and I found this in the oil pan. Not a good sign. The pickup tube looks like another bad sign. Looking here at the rods, if I had to guess, one of these probably spun a bearing. I feel like spun bearing is an understatement. Like, that's not bad enough to describe exactly what happened to this engine.
Much damage?
You should see the damage. Bronze, huh? Metal damage. Brain damage, huh? Are you listening, Bronze?
So you can see all the carnage in this engine. But not only that, the driver's side motor mount, one of the bolts had backed out. And then was only held on by one bolt, which also partially backed out and stripped out. So the driver's side motor mount was just kind of dangling there, and it had bent that bolt and is all sorts of jacked up. Another thing is that on the clutch pressure plate, there's 3 little clippy things that hold it together, and one of them broke. So I'd say this engine took one hell of a beating. Basically, the plan here is to completely rebuild this engine. I'm actually starting with a new block, as I didn't want to mess with helicoiling the motor mount holes, and there was another bolt that was less important, but it was stripped out, and I just thought it'd be easier, instead of cleaning everything up, just start fresh. Let's get a new block and then go from there. So this new build will not actually be going back into Eleanor. It's actually going to go into a different chassis, a 93 Civic Coupe that I bought back in like 2013. Originally bought it with plans of only drag racing it, just putting it on the strip and that's it. Basically, that first engine I was building for Eleanor at the very beginning, the very start of my channel, I actually originally built that engine to go into this car, but I ended up having issues with Eleanor's engine at the time, and I was like, I just want to get Eleanor running, and so I put the engine in that. And then that's where the big turbo and stuff came from. The Go Autoworks kit that we put in recently came from, was also originally purchased for that car, but it ended up in Eleanor instead. Well, now all of that's going to go into the original car, which I call Big Red. As far as this build goes, I don't really intend on making a video for every single detail or the entire process of building the engine and the car. But I've got a bit filmed already. I want to edit up, but I just have a few different things that I'm doing in this engine build that I don't see many people do. Maybe for good reason. We'll see. But I just want to talk about a couple of things that I'm doing differently and show you guys the process of those along the way. So stay tuned. I'm looking forward to making some more videos. Looking forward to this whole build, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So check it out. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching.